Welcome everybody, welcome to Moments of Adventure. We were on another adventure in Las Vegas this month and went to Area 15.
Yes.
We actually went to the Lost Spirits, what's it called? The Lost Spirits?
It's Lost Spirits Distillery.
The Lost Spirits Distillery.
Right.
So when you first show up to Lost Spirits, it actually looks like a outdoor carnival situation a little bit. You walk up to these, I don't know if they're train cars or if they were just outside booths, but decorated like a carnival, and you get your ticket and you get your little punch card for rum.
There, take a lot of pictures and videos. Just please turn off the flash.
Look at that cool car.
We are at Lost Spirits, and we're getting ready to go enter the jungle oasis. That's what she said. There's palm trees. It's jungly. Sort of.
Got our little rum passport.
It's your first tasting. And now you're awarded with 20,000 leagues under the sea rum at 80
Awesome.
proof.
Thank you.
Cheers.
And then you walk into the building and you are greeted with a performance right away.
Yeah, so it's like little circus performers in a risque adult kind of way.
Yes. But individual performers in each room.
There's like a jazz band bar room, which is very cool vibe. And a Moroccan little area that was really cool as well, where you could sit and just chat and have cocktails.
Yeah.
And then there was a little under the sea submarine feel. There were little fake fishes swimming by the windows.
Yeah, it was a real long room. You walk in and seating on both sides. The chandeliers were moving.
Yeah.
And then next to you had these mechanical fish going by, so it kind of made...
They were just cardboard cutouts.
Right. So motion. But it was a nice place to sit and just enjoy your rum.
Very cool vibe of the entire place. They've done a very good job with filling the theme and the vibe of the room and taking you to a completely different place when you're in the middle of Vegas.
Yeah.
Not bad.
The only criticism I may have is they let too many people in. Because you do move around from room to room, so you don't have a place to sit when you're actually watching the performances, and it can get quite crowded. The performers are only probably sitting on a foot tall stage, so unless you're really tall, thankfully I am, you're not going to see the whole thing really well unless you get into that niche and be able to get in there. But highly recommend it. It was fun. Good experience. Just something different to do on the Vegas Strip.
We also went into Area 15 and found a silent disco with a little bar. Very good cocktails there. But that was actually really fun too.
Yeah, and I don't know if it was fun because there wasn't a whole lot of people there, but we all had our headphones listening to our different stations, our favorite stations, and rocking out and dancing, and it was a good time.
So Area 15, it's worth the drive out. Meow Wolf is there, and we have done that before, and there is a speakeasy inside Meow Wolf. But Area 15, really fun place. I think there's another section of it that we would really like to try it next time. So hopefully we'll bring that to you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up for this video. If you have other bars or speakeasies in Vegas that you like that we haven't covered, make sure to put that in the comments below so we can check it out.
See you on YouTube.
Stop it!
See you next time.